Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to explain construction bundle reports. So here we have two set of report. One is purchase reports and another one is the contracting report. Let me show how this will work. So in the purchase menu, we have added a reports menu. So in this, we can see purchase order summary, purchase order bill summary, and short summary, and unbilled report and the purchase analysis. So purchase order summary. So by clicking this, the result will be populated, and by selecting the project, sub project, and WBS, and by clicking the search, we will get all the details related to this purchase order summary. So let me print this report. So here we can see all the um, all the details related to the purchase order for this selected project, sub project, and the project WBS. So for each in this report itself, we can see for each purchase order how much product we have purchased. For example, for the purchase order 15, we have purchased the 30 quantity of sand, cement 100 quantity, and bricks 5000. And in the 16 purchase order, we have purchased 200 steel and 5000 bricks. So this was the purchase order summary report. And coming to the next, we have added a purchase order bill summary. So here also I'm filling the project and WBS and the and searching it. So here we have all the data related to this projects and project WBS, and I'm printing the project bill summary. So here we can see the details related to the bill related details all here. So we can see the project and WBS, whatever the bill, which is the transfers which we were created for this challan number will be generated. For the purchase order 15, the transfer is created as WH in 0008. So in this transfer we can see the the bill which was created will be showed here. And likewise same we can see for the purchase order 16, we have another bill which is uh, created against this purchase order. In this we can see the bricks and steel was the bill generated, and their net price also showed here. And coming to the next report is the short supply summary, which is we can see short summary of the let me show that. So by clicking search, we will fetch all those details, and by clicking the print, we will be generating the report. So here we can see material short summary. Okay, so here in the each purchase order, we will have the how much product and how much quantity, and the received quantity, and the balance the remaining quantity will be showed here. So for example, steel is requested 200, and the received how much we can track here, and the how much remaining for example 5000 we were purchased, but the remaining is 5000 against this material requisition. We will be automatically balance quantity will be showed here. So this was the material supply summary related to this project and sub project. Let me show another report. So the another report is the unbilled report. So whatever unbilled against the purchase order will be showed here. So here I'm selecting. So the here the unbilled GRN report will show how much unbilled amount and unbilled quantity. So here the all the quantity was billed. So no, there is no unbilled amount which is pending. Everything is a billed amount. If anything was unbilled will be displayed here, and how much quantity we need to be unbilled, how much quantity is unbilled will also showed here in the unbilled grn report. So this was the report section, and here the purchase analysis menu, which will show the purchase, the graph, and let me show the contracting reports. So in the contracting report section, there is a work order summary and the RA summary and the incomplete work order and the contracting payment report and the GRN report. Here the work order summary, by selecting the project and sub project and the WBS, and clicking the search, all the work order which is related to this project and sub project will be showcased here, and by clicking the print we can print the report. So here in the work order summary, we can see the details of this work order and the labor which this work order created is villa construction labor, and the estimated quantity is 30, and the rate for each quantity will be 10,000, and totally 30,000 will be displayed. So this was the work order summary report for the selected project and sub project, and WBS will be displayed here. And coming to the next report of the contracting report, here there is a RA bill summary report. So in the RA bill summary report, we will be selecting the project, sub-project, and the project WBS. And by clicking the search, we will get the RA bill details, everything here. And by clicking print, we can also take the print of this RA bill summary report. So in this report, we can see the contractor name and the labor and the basic total amount which for this RA bill is generated will be showed here. And this was the RA bill summary report. And coming to the next report, in the contracting report section is the incomplete work order. So whatever the work order which is incomplete, we can take this report from this incompletion work order report. And coming to next contract payment report, and how much payment is done for this contractor, we can take contractor based on the contractor selected. Let me show this, and selecting WBS, and selecting the contractor and clicking search. So the contractor which we've selected and the project and sub project, based on those details, this contractor report will be fetched, and we can print the report as well. So let me show once it print. So here we can see the contractor payment report. So for this contractor, test contractor, the project and sub project and bill created for this contractor is 30,000, and bill remaining amount, bill paid is 30,000, and remaining amount need to be paid is zero. We can so this was the contracting payment summary report. And finally, we have another report is the GRN report. In the GRN report, we can select same like a project, sub project, and the WBS, and by clicking search, so we will be fetching those retail fill based on the value field, and I'm printing this report. So in the unbilled GRN report, so we can see the work order and the project and sub project details, and the work order quantity and completed quantity. So here the work order quantity is 30, and the completed quantity also 30. So there is no remaining balance and the balance amount. So if there is anything remaining, 30 quantity is remaining, we can see the balance quantity here, and the balance amount which need to be paid also will be displayed here. So this were the report section which we will be covering in the construction bundle of the pragmatic. So there will be the totally four report, and the and four reports in the contracting and four reports in the purchase report. Thank you.